that we have. So the products that we have today, we're going to talk a little more about ARIA. Then have conversation of AI, conversation of AI, totally monitoring system diffused with AI, and then employee life cycle management. Now, a lot of people think, why employee life cycle is not employee. Well, my viewpoint is different in that sense. I think our drunk the employee could really take away the experience. And that's the reason they use that form is very much part of the customer experience suite of products as well. Now, there were a few questions when we started off about, what is AI, how we adopt it, what doing it, what are others doing it. So we came across a lot. That's the reason why our consulting services go on, because that also helps sometimes understand a lot of use cases and adoption related challenges. So automation, digital transformation, product engineering, prototyping with an AI is another area that we consult on. We help you with that, and then of course, as part of the consulting, we also get into the execution of it. Now, when we talk about AI, I think the obsession really is probably with human intelligence, right, at the heart of it. Now, AI is broadly, machine learning, deep learning, and then you have Gen AI. There's a lot of hullabaloo at the moment right now, but come to think of it, it actually was coined, artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 in the Dartmouth conference by John McCarthy. But before that, I think 1950, 5 years ago, the Turing kind of started thinking machines and intelligence, and that's where I think people was kind of born from there. Now, with that, I would like to introduce you to Arya. Now, this is funny because, just like my name, having the experience of having a complicated name, I thought, I need to name this product something. And Arya was inspired by Aryabhatta, thought like mathematician from India, who gave the concept of zero to the world. And I didn't want to name it Aryabhatta because it's a tongue twister for the Western world, just like my name. So I said, okay, maybe it's better. The thought came to me while I was smoking outside in my car.
For 2 nights at the hotel, I want to extend my stay for one more night. Will there be any discount? Because I was not able to see it on the website. So sorry, Catherine. We do not have discount for 1 day extended stay. However, if you can extend your stay for 2 days, we'll be happy to give 15% discount on your booking amount. Sure. Please extend my stay by 2 days. Thanks for extending the stay. Is there anything else I can assist you with? No, thank you. Bye. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.
So it's the knowledge base fully integrated with the system. So you can query or Arya pushes. So let's say if something has been missed while the agent is servicing the customer, Arya does a proactive push, which is what you could see. There was a 15% discount being pushed out. Then that's the checklist. You can create that. Let's say, for example, if you implement this in a banking sector, there are certain checks you do before you give out information to the customer. This is where the summary is done. We have also allowed the customer service agent to rate, so we can calibrate between the human and the machine, so that what is a good call, what is a bad call, what is a good customer experience can be calibrated. There is a sentiment analysis, and the email being sent is the feedback, which is the product management LI, which goes into the product management of the particular client. And that's how the product management LI and the module was formed. So these are notes, you can summarize. These are the communication logs of what has happened in that particular communication. You can look at feedback, trends. These are from the coaching module, the coaching persona, which kicks in, which is a personalized coaching for each individual. And this is all possible because of the AI, right? There are Gen AI and AI, machine learning and deep learning that is actually kicking in. This is the digital cockpit, which is the analytics. It gives you the scores. And this is where the leaderboard is for, if I'm a customer service agent, I log in, I'm able to see my scores, my teams, and my entire projects. This is an implementation on email. this is the module where before you actually completely switch over, you get the humans to train so that you see that the machine is actually, the AI is actually really doing it fairly well. So here is reply with Arya, then it shows you how the reply comes up using an AI, and in the knowledge base, it's actually picking up from there and taking it from the knowledge base, putting it back into this without any human involvement, and your response is ready. This is deeply integrated with everything from your SOP protocol within your knowledge base. Our knowledge base is also there. If customers don't have a knowledge base, they can simply dump their documents into our knowledge base, and that is where it's an AI-based knowledge base as well. It's a summary of the email, gives you the feedback, gives you an auto summary, gives you a score in terms of end-to-end, how the email transaction has gone through. PKT is a process knowledge test. This is a module for anywhere where a human agent is working on it. So let's look at this case of a refund policy for a travel company. And if the guy has not really taken good calls, this is a coaching module where the refund call, the scenario is that the refund call has not been taken properly. Which AI creates this quiz, and then it gives you a timer, the coaching module, personalized, complete, and then it scores you. Once you clear the threshold, which is defined by the client, the PKD is found, the process knowledge test is found, right? These are the coaching that the agent needs to go through in its own individual way, and each of the modules has been created by using AI. So there is absolutely no trainer, no coach preparing all of it. The system is doing it automatically. This is the sentiment analysis module. Yeah, this is the supervisor, the management module. Yeah, this is where the management team, all the dashboard is part of the cockpit for management team and supervisors. There are 18 algorithms that we've written across all the skill sets, whether it's instructions, active listening. That's where our AI model, bespoke AI model kicks in. The statistical one is quite advanced. This is for management and supervisors to really understand the data. What is the spread of the data? What is the volume? On the email, we've done a severity and a prioritization categorization as well, which is typically missing in the market product. And that really helps you to prioritize your response. Helps you getting faster resolutions to your customers. Then we've taken the rate we are predicting now in this module, so your volumes to absentee to attrition. We have around 13 parameters that we can predict at the moment, and that's the sentiment analysis of every interaction that happens. And you can configure other methods as you wish, depending on how your operation is run. That is the knowledge base I was mentioning earlier. So again, AI based completely. You can just send it or upload it, and the AI models take it for the relevance. And sometimes our customers will have their own knowledge base. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And I mean, thank you very much. If you have any questions or you want to see this further explored, my team and I will be very, very happy to give a very guide into this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jyotendra. Do we have any questions? Because we had read just with Arya. So, any questions related to that? Yes, can we have the mic given to you, please? So you're needed on the stage once again, or you this audio as well.
Didi, thanks for such a wonderful experience which you shared with us. My question is like, Arya can speak how many languages?
Currently we can do Hindi, English, we can do Portuguese, German, French, Spanish. We are doing a little bit with Arabic as well, as we understand the importance of that language. So that's about it. But our vision is to grow the languages as we keep on updating the product.
That's great. No, thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Any more questions? Yeah, we have one more. Interesting. Hi.